If you want some chocolate-coated s'mores, chocolate-coated ice cream, chocolate-coated fruits, chocolate-coated fingers, or basically anything that's chocolate-coated, then this one's for you. Guys, don't forget to wash your hands before you begin. Here are the two ingredients. We have the coconut oil. You can use refined or unrefined ones. And we're using either this chocolate bar or the chocolate chips. We only use dark chocolate because it's healthier. And the desserts we're coating are already too sweet, so it balances them out. For this recipe, you only need 1 bar of this or 1 cup of chocolate chips if you prefer to use this. For today's video, we are going to use the chocolate chips. And then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Or you can add more if you want strong coconut taste. And then just mix them together. Next, get your cooking pot and a cast iron bowl, or actually any mixing bowl that you want to use. Boil a cup of water, put your mixing bowl on top, and start putting your mix on the bowl. Just keep mixing it until it's melted. You can also use a microwave to melt your mix. Heat it up using 20-second increments to make sure you don't burn it. Every after 20 seconds, make sure you mix it carefully. After melting your mix, let it cool down completely. At this point, we are now ready to dip or coat our desserts. The next thing I'm gonna share is very crucial. Use only cold or frozen desserts. And I can't stress it enough because it makes the chocolate set immediately. Now, if you don't have frozen or cold fruits, you have to put them in the fridge before serving, so the chocolate would set right away. Or if you're willing to wait, then you can wait for a few minutes until you achieve your perfect shell. Now we have ice cream. This is the most common dessert to get chocolate coated, and because it's freezing cold, we don't have to wait for the chocolate to set. This is very fun and very easy to make, especially because the shell hardens right away. Now we're attempting to make some s'mores. I don't have graham crackers, so this will do. And of course, we need marshmallows.
I know, one word, right?
And then my husband's favorite butane torch. He was pretty scared that I was going to burn myself. I, on the other hand, was just focusing on not burning down the house. This is my very first time using this, and I hope I don't regret it. According to my torch expert husband, I should pretty much burn the marshmallow so it sticks to the biscuit. I wasn't sure if I'm doing it right, but whatever. I thought I did a decent job on my first one, so I'm trying it again. This literally smells like burning sugar, so if you like that smell, then good for you. But here's my second attempt, and as you can see, I was struggling, and I failed. I ate the marshmallow anyway. I don't know, because I don't like wasting food, and I have 1 more to go. My husband told me that I wasn't burning it enough, so I tried to do it better this time. But it failed again. So I figured I'm not really good at making s'mores. But don't worry, because this is not a video on making s'mores, so let's just move on. We're gonna make it pretty by coating them with chocolate, and feel free to use protective liner underneath because it's gonna get messy. So since the s'mores are not cold, we now know that the chocolate will not set immediately. Now, if you happen to have chocolate-coated fingers,
And hey, you know what to do.
but don't ever do it if you're making your desserts for your guests, okay? You can also use some candy sprinkles to make your s'mores even prettier. And then put your s'mores in the fridge to make the chocolate coat set. And there we have it.
You now know how to make magic chocolate shell.
You can share this recipe with your friends and loved ones. Or maybe someday you can serve them some chocolate-coated desserts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thank you guys for watching.